A 78-year-old woman went missing after heavy rain drenched Kumamoto Prefecture, southwestern Japan on May 17th. Yamato town received 90.5 millimeters of rain in an hour, making it the biggest rainfall recorded in the area in May. Local officials said a 78-year-old woman went missing after she went to check the fields in the morning. Roughly 30 households were flooded in the town of Mashiki. Around 10,400 residents were temporarily put under evacuation orders in the town. Weather officials urged locals to remain vigilant against possible landslides.